Good morning all of you. Dear student, you're the most welcome in DSS online English class. Myself Dharmendra sir, your English teacher. And as you know that the tense is going on and I have taken 2 live classes on this topic. And I hope so that you have got the entire introduction of tense. Why the tense is necessary in English grammar? Because tense is known as the backbone of English. What we want to communicate or what we want to express, our desire, our thoughts, our ideas to anyone, it requires a particular language. You can transfer your language in Hindi, Sanskrit as well as English. So here we are going to discuss that how can we develop our ideas or our sense to other, and for that you have the complete and the sufficient knowledge of tense. So what is tense? What is tense? Tense refers the action when and in which condition is happened. That means tense हमको बताता है कि कोई भी क्रिया कब, कहां और कैसे हुई, स्पेशली प्रेजेंट में हुई, पास्ट में हुई या फ्यूचर में हुई. And the definition I have mentioned in our live class, and you have taken the screenshot of that things. So student, make the note by the live classes, and now I am going to discuss that what is tense. The tense shows that when the actions are performed. That means tense हमें बताता है कि actions कब perform किए गए थे, whether it is present, past or future. Have you got? Now, kinds of tense. How many kinds of tense are there in English grammar? First is present tense. The second is past tense, and the third one future tense. And present tense is also categorized into 4 types, as well as past and the future also. So at first we are going to discuss what is present tense. So student, if you want to take the screenshot, then you can take. Okay, now I'm going to erase. Present tense is divided into 4 types. First is indefinite. The second is continuous. Third, perfect. And the fourth, perfect continuous. Okay? So first, present indefinite. First, present indefinite. Present indefinite shows that the action is performed in present time. That means it shows that the particular action are performed in present time. Okay, what is present indefinite? Present indefinite ये बताता है कि जो वर्क हुआ है, जो एक्शंस हुए हैं, ये एक्शन कब हुए हैं? प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट में हुए हैं. Okay, now I am going to describe the 4 kinds of present indefinite. Okay, just take this screenshot. First is affirmative. What is structure? At first we have to know that what is structure. Structure is At first we have to write subject, then verb of first form plus SRES plus object plus other words. The student, you have to understand that what is the means of it. You know, all of you, that naturally, you can write here the note, naturally the verb is in plural form. And if you want to use verb with the singular subject, that you have to change verb into singular form. For that you have to use SRES with the verb. That means run here means it is plural. If you want to make it singular, then you can write here run plus S is equal to runs, and runs here the singular. That means कि अगर आप वर्ब को सिंगुलर बनाना चाहते हो तो आपको वर्ब में SRES लगाना पड़ता है, और नहीं तो नेचुरली वर्ब हमेशा प्लूरल में होता है. एंड इट इज ऑल्सो टॉट इन सब्जेक्ट वर्ब एग्रीमेंट पार्ट. ओके, नाउ नोट 1. सेकेंड, विद सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट, verb of first form plus SRES, and with plural subject, there is no need to write SRES or add SRES with the verb. That means verb is used here in naturally. There is no need to write SRES. And now one more thing कि यस और यस हम लगाते कहां पे. पहला तो ये हो गया कि वर्ब अगर आपका सब्जेक्ट सिंगुलर है तो, लेकिन अगर वर्ब किस फॉर्म में है या कहां पर यस लगाएंगे, कहां पर यस लगाएंगे, दिस इज द इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, यू वांट टू टेक स्क्रीनशॉट, टेक इट. Now listen. Note third. CHS AIOUX double S with particular these things. You have to write or add ES, otherwise S only. Okay. For example, bench. Bench is what? A noun. If you want to make it in plural form, then you have to write here ES. Why ES? Because the last word is CH, and with the CH you have to write ES. Okay. Then it will be benches. go, who is vowel sound or vowel, that you have to write here es. That means it will be goes. Have you got this sense? Now I am going to take some examples of present indefinite affirmative sentences. For example, I am teaching you English or present indefinite. मैं आपको इंग्लिश पढ़ाता हूं. I teach you English. Okay? बच्चे रोज स्कूल जाते हैं. Children go to school every day. हम रोज खाना खाते हैं. We eat food every day. Okay? वह हमेशा अच्छा खेलता है. He plays always well or good. You can write here, he plays good always. ऐसे भी कर सकते हो, he plays good always or he plays always good. वो हमेशा अच्छा खेलता है. And you can write here always a good just after the verb. अब here आप यहां देखेंगे कि I क्या था, plural subject था. That's why there is no need to add SRES with the verb. Children is also plural, then there is no need to write or add SIS with the verb. We is also plural, then there is no need. But here he is singular, that I placed here as. I placed here as. That's why it is present indefinite tense. Okay, have you got? There is some example. अगर आपको और एग्जाम्पल की नीड होगी तो आप हमसे कह सकते हैं कि सर थोड़ा और एग्जाम्पल बताइए. बट इट्स अ कॉमन थिंग एंड आई होप सो दैट यू हैव गॉट. यू वांट टू टेक स्क्रीनशॉट, देन यू कैन. नाउ नेगेटिव. Negative. What is the order of negative? Subject plus do or does plus not plus verb of first form, object and other verb. Hence, first do with plural subject and does with singular. For example, मैं आपको मैथ नहीं पढ़ाता हूं. I do not teach you mathematics. वह सभी मैच में सेंचुरी नहीं बनाता है. He doesn't make century in every match. और सभी मैचों में सेंचुरी नहीं बनाता है. This is the negative sentence. Student, just you have to remember that with the plural you have to use do not and with the singular does not only. This is the key point of negative. Okay? Now, interrogative. 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 As you know that the interrogatives are two types. First is yes or no type, yes or no type, and second is question word type. Firstly, I am going to write for the first and then second. Structure of the first: do or does. Do or does, then subject, then verb of first form, object and other word, then question mark. And if second type is given, then you have to just place here WH or H type. That means question word. Question word. This is the structure of both first type and for the second type. Okay. Then there is no need to write separately for the both. If the answer can be given in yes or no, then just write do or does. If the question is asked some reason, then use question word. For example, क्या आप मैच खेलते हो? Do you play match? क्या आप अपने दोस्तों की मदद करते हो? या क्या तुम अपने दोस्तों की मदद करते हो? तो do you help your friends? अब the same things. अगर ये कह दिया जाए कि क्या आप अपने दोस्तों की मदद क्यों करते हो, तो क्या हो जाएगा? आपको you have to put question word just before the helping verb. That means why do you help your friend? This is the second type. आप स्कूल क्यों जाते हो या आप स्कूल कब जाते हो? When do you go to school? This is the interrogative. I hope so that कि आपको ये टर्म समझ में आ गया होगा. Now interrogative negative. This is a very simple and interrogative negative. Student, after this class, I will just give you the hint. I will not teach you each and every content. Just I will give the hints that how can we use in continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. Because this is simple. Just you have to change the helping verb and the form of verb. जैसे हर सेंटेंसेस में क्या है? हर सेंटेंस में स्ट्रक्चर वगैरह तो वही होंगे. बस आपको क्या होगा? जैसे इसमें डू डज लगाते थे तो किसी में इज एम आर लगेगा, किसी में हैज हैव, विल हैव, शैल हैव. बस इतना ही चेंज होता रहता है. बाकी सभी चीजें तो वही होती हैं. स्ट्रक्चर तो बदलना नहीं है, स्ट्रक्चर तो वही रहेगा. सो आफ्टर दिस आई विल गिव यू जस्ट सिंगल स्टेटमेंट ओनली. सो इंट्रोगेटिव निगेटिव. इंट्रोगेटिव निगेटिव दैट मीन्स इंट्रोगेटिव प्लस नेगेटिव. At first question word, then helping verb, then subject, then not, then verb of first form, then object, then other word, then question mark. जैसे कि क्या आप इंग्लिश नहीं पढ़ते हो? तो do you not study English. आप ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं डोंट यू स्टडी इंग्लिश. आप ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं आप इंग्लिश क्यों पढ़ते, आप इंग्लिश क्यों नहीं पढ़ते हो. तो वाई डू यू नॉट स्टडी इंग्लिश. Okay, this is the form of sentences, or that is the indefinite sentences. And student, after this I will teach you some special uses or some special kinds of interrogative in present indefinite and some other types. Okay, in live classes I have also taught you that. In live classes I have taught you, but in live classes I have noticed that mostly 50 or 60 students are join the live classes. But what about the other students? They haven't time for study, or they are just making misuse of the fun time, of the leisure time in this corona pandemic. So student, just use complete time and study at your home. Okay, after this I will take the other class for introduction, for interrogative and some special uses of present indefinite.